planner babes. I'm Lacey with Living with Lacey. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so happy that you are here with me today. So I am going to be creating a cleaning schedule using the new cloth and paper cleaning inserts, and I'm so excited about it. So get you a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, a glass of wine, grab your planner, and let's get to planning. All right, y'all. So in my March subscription box from Cloth and Paper, I received this cleaning inventory along with like a chores list, a chores little insert layout for the week. And so this is my first time using this, probably a lot of people. And so I'm just going to see how this is going to work for me. It's so funny. Everybody's saying, what is Ashley trying to say? But I mean, if you really think about it, most of us are spring cleaning at this time, right? And so I was just talking to a friend, and she was saying how much she needed to, clean up her house and do all of this. And I was like, use your planner. It's just amazing how many people I hear have all these ideas and things they want to do, but they actually don't use their planner to help them plan. And so, yeah, that's just, is it me? I think my planner helps me just become better at the things that I'm doing. So y'all, I'm so glad that I stopped and looked at this video. It actually stopped recording. So let me just do a recap of what I have done when I thought that it was recording the entire time, and it was not. So what I've done, I've taken this cleaning inventory. I'm going to use it for the month of April, and I went ahead and used my little quartz page flags, and I'm dividing it off into zones or areas in the house. So for the kitchen, I like to use Grease Lightning. It's a degreaser that I like to use for my stove, Palmolive dishwashing tabs, dishwasher rinse, and Pine Sol. For the living areas, I like to use disinfectant spray because I like to spray down just areas that we touch a lot. Windex, Febreze, we have an animal in the house, so to make sure that we're spraying the couch and anything that's fabric, furniture polish, and our hardwood floor cleaner. I cannot believe that it stopped recording. That's never happened to me before. So, all right, and then I'm gonna go to the let's see. I could just put this right here. I'm just gonna put the bathroom right here because I use one thing, which is Clorox bathroom cleaner. Okay, so this will be the cleaning inventory, and to make sure I keep everything. But this is what I use, and I guess you can go through. I probably will think about going through at the end of the month, highlighting or checking what I need to purchase for the next month. So I'm gonna put a sticker on the back that says a to buy sticker. So if something comes up that I need to purchase, I can go ahead and just jot it down. So right here, I'm just going to put to buy. So anything that comes up that I need to pick up. All right, so this is all I'm going to do on this this cleaning schedule. Feel pretty good about it. Not the cleaning schedule, the cleaning inventory. I feel good about it. So I think I'm just thinking, I'm like, what happened to that video? All right. Next thing I'm going to work on is cleaning chores. So this is going to be, I just put it for April. I know it is March 29th, 30th, but I just put it for April 29. It's really March 29th through April the 3rd. All right, so daily chores. So I'm going to write down things that I'm thinking through this now. So this has not been pre-done or anything, but just thinking through things that I do on a daily basis. Okay. I notice a lot of people make their beds Y'all, oh my God, I think when I was young, I was really good at making my beds. Now, not so much. I just get up and leave. I know some of y'all are like, gasp, cannot believe. But I'm going to say wash dishes. I do that. Let's see, wash dishes. And I'm going to just look at what I do through the week. Laundry. Let's see, wash dishes, laundry, clean bathrooms. I'm going to say clean off kitchen table. So for some reason, we have bad habits of walking in, setting all our belongings on the kitchen table and then not picking them back up. And then my husband will start fussing, babe, get your stuff off the kitchen table. So I'm trying to get better at that. So cleaning off the kitchen table. So I wash dishes just about every day, laundry, clean the bathrooms, clean off the kitchen table. I'm going to say clean the mirrors. This is basically in the living areas. Okay, and then I dust the furniture. Okay, so this is going to be used as a tracker. So if I wash dishes on Monday, I can just press click. I can just put a check right here. If I did laundry on Monday, I'll put a check right here. I'm not going to use mine as, not this part. On Monday, I want to wash dishes on Monday and Wednesday, Friday. I don't think that works very well for me. I think I can use it as a tracker just to see how often I'm doing these things. And I think this will be a reminder through the week that if it's Thursday and I have not, cleaned the mirrors, then that's something that needs to be done. Or if it's Saturday and I haven't dusted the furniture, it just reminds me that there's no check right here and I need to get it done. So I'm going to use mine as a tracker. I think that's going to work better for me than me using this like this would be done. All right. So I'm just going to say this. Good Lord. It seems like I do laundry every single day. It's only 2 of us in this house. I don't know where the clothes come from, but they're coming. I have no clue. Let's see. I should have put take out the trash on here too. That's really something that my husband does. I don't do. But on this Monday, I'm just going to make a list. On this Monday, I want to make sure I wash the dishes. Get all the dishes cleaned. On Tuesday, I'm trying to think things I have to do. I'm going to clean the countertops. Now, when I mean clean my countertops, I don't mean just wipe them down. I mean, what I do, I get like some type of cleaner. I remove everything off the countertops. I clean them. I put a little Windex on them. I mean, they're beautiful. You can see yourself. So when I say clean countertops, I mean really clean them. On Saturday, I need to clean. Why am I putting clean? Clean my stovetop. Right now, I'm just looking at the kitchen. So wash the dishes, clean the countertops, clean stovetop. I need to make a habit of on Saturdays also, I need to clean out the refrigerator. Because I need to get rid of things that shouldn't be in there. Sometimes we think we have leftover foods and we're not going to eat them, or we're going to eat it the next day and we don't eat it. So clean the refrigerator. Also, Sunday is Easter, So I doubt any chores will be done except possibly washing dishes. But I need to go ahead and straighten up my pantry. I want to get into a habit of every Saturday just straightening up the pantry. Y'all, this man I live with, he just sometimes does not put things where it goes back. I want to I think I'm going to do this on, no. I'm going on Saturday. I'm going to wash the linen and towels. Okay. I'm gonna put on Tuesday, I'm gonna do laundry. On Wednesday, I'm not doing laundry. This is a busy week for me. On Thursday, I'm not doing laundry. Y'all, let's see. Tuesday might just be it. Then on Sunday, I can get some laundry done. Okay. Cleaning the bathrooms. One bathroom needs to be deep cleaned, one because I did deep cleaning on it yesterday. Another bathroom just needs to be spot cleaned. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that bathroom down for tomorrow. And let's see what else. Okay, so this kitchen table, this is gonna be written down every single day. But let me go ahead and celebrate that it's clean right now. And while I'm working on this, if y'all think of another way to use this, or you have a way that you used it, please let me know in the comments, because this is new, and so I am when you get things that are new, you just figure it out as you go, right? So this kitchen table is, what I'm going to do, if I do this on Monday, I'm going to come and highlight. Also, if I wash the dishes. Now here, this is like daily. I'm going to see what's going to happen. But bathroom, kitchen table. Let's see. Cleaning these mirrors in the living room. A lot of that doesn't happen through the week. I'm just going to put right here, living room. Down here, living room. Friday, I'm going to put tidy. Bedroom. Okay. Oh, also. I'm going to say tidy up. Tidy family room. So I can't put too much in one day because I don't work from home. I got to go to work. And so, yeah. All right. So I'm going to use just some of these little icons. I think these are just cute. So put this right here for laundry. Why? Now, a lot of people, that doesn't bother. But that bothers me to be crooked. Get back over here. Oh my goodness. Come up. Okay. Oh, and vacuuming? Yeah, I need to get that done. When I do my office. Let me see, what day am I actually at home? Tuesday? No. Wednesday? No. Thursday? No. Friday? Yes. But I'm going to put it on Sunday. Then I'm going to vacuum the rugs. My family's coming over for Easter dinner. So, notes. I'm going to put a note down here that trash needs to be taken out daily. I didn't put it up there for my daily chores, but trash days are Mondays and Thursdays. Okay. And I love this. Oh, so these stickers are from the planner spot, y'all. These little icons, it's the home icons. I'm going to place another order. When I say they are cute, just cute. I'll put this right here for the bathroom. Just a little something decorative, not that much. Not that much. Okay, laundry. I need to sweep the kitchen floor. We're gardeners, and it seems like every day there is just something on the wood floor because we're outside all the time. Sweep kitchen and living room floors. I don't know exactly when that's going to get done. I'm just going to put it down as a like a to-do, something that needs to be done through the week. I don't know when it's going to be done, but put it down as a to-do. I think I feel good about it. I think I'm feeling good exactly where it is, where I am. I'm just going to go through and put just a little highlight on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That lets it stand out a little bit more. And daily chores. All right. So this is what I'm working on this week. And maybe I'll do another video to let y'all know how it's coming out, how we're turning up. So in this wellness and journaling planner, I added just home at the end of it. And so this is kind of it's morphing into a home planner. So there you go. All right, this is it. So I have my cleaning inventory for April. These are the things I actually have. If I run out of them, then I'm going to just kind of highlight that I need to purchase it, and I might put it down here. Any reminders, but I'll put on the back to buy. And then we have this for this coming week, some daily chores I want to focus on, and then breaking down the day. But like I said, I'm going to use this as a tracker to see how often I'm actually doing these things. And so hopefully I'm going to keep this on my desk. This is, I might not even close this. I'm going to keep it on my desk as a reminder of things that I need to do. All right. So thank you so much for joining me in this little journey of learning how to use this new cleaning insert. Y'all let me know in the comments again how you use it or how you're planning on using it. Or, you know, if you're not using this insert, have you created something in your planner that helps you with keeping your house clean? I want to know. We all want to know, right? Share. So once again, please like this video, comment, subscribe, click on the notification bell, and I will see you soon. Don't forget to take charge of your life one plan at a time, even with cleaning. Have a great week.